So today I'm bringing you one more easy way of making kids a story. The easy way is because we'll do everything on the same platform, in the same flow. So let's start and see how we can turn an engaging kids story into a YouTube video. So for this, I'll first go to Google Bard and give it this prompt. Write a short moral story for kids. So as you can see that it gave me a short moral story. So if you like this story, you can use it, otherwise you could regenerate it. So my story is ready, and now after this I'll give it another prompt. Write me a text-to-image generating prompts for each scene of this story. So as you can see, it has given me prompts for each scene. So now I've copied the story and prompts to Google Docs, and I'll copy the prompts one by one and generate them on Google Bard. So you can see that 4 images can be generated from one prompt here, and whichever of these seems good, you can download it from here. So all of my images have been generated, and I'll download the ones I like. Now let's move on to the next step, which is animation. So today I've used LeapX to add movement to these images. I choose LeapX today because I noticed that it has added many new movements which can add more charm to our story. So I'll simply upload my image here. Here you can see that they have added many new movements in animation style, such as zoom left, zoom center, zoom right, dolly, or you can also customize the animation according to your preference, which is fantastic. So once your animation is set, you can simply export it from here. So I'll continue adding movements to each of my images one by one and export them from here. So now after this, we'll move on to the voiceover. For voiceover, I'm using 11 Labs. Here you can select any voice you like, paste your script here, click on generate, and boom, your voiceover is ready. And now we'll move on to the final step, which is editing. You can edit it in any tool. Simply start by selecting your voiceover and then continue selecting videos according to your script. Remember, when you use AI to generate images and voiceovers, it's important to add your own personal touch during editing. Use transitions, effects, and write your own subtitles to show you that you put effort into your video. So now my video is ready. So let's export it from here and quickly see its final result.
In a bustling anthill lived 2 ants, Penny and Finn. Penny, always eager to please, scurried tirelessly, collecting the biggest crumbs and working double shifts. Finn, on the other hand, sauntered, taking breaks to admire the wildflowers and chat with passing ladybugs. One scorching summer day, the anthill's food stores dwindled. The Queen declared, "Whoever brings the most food by sunset will be my advisor." Penny, determined to win, raced out, ignoring the heat and exhaustion. Finn, unfazed, explored new patches of soil, humming a tune. As the sun dipped, Penny returned, exhausted but with a meager pile of crumbs. Finn, arriving shortly after, had a smaller pile, but also juicy berries and plump grubs from hidden spots. The Queen, surprised, saw the wisdom in Finn's diverse collection. He became the advisor, reminding everyone that sometimes slowing down and looking beyond the obvious leads to richer rewards. Morale: don't always chase the biggest or fastest solution. Taking your time, exploring, and looking at things differently can lead to even better results.
So as you have seen, using simple methods and tools, we transformed an engaging and inspiring world story into a YouTube video. This proves that if you have creativity and determination, anything is possible.